Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to claim points on Oopbuy, how can you claim? So I will explain clearly today, and I will explain to you guys several methods how can you claim your point at the same time. Because in Oopbuy, you can choose a larger method to claim your point. So let's see. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead to your Oopbuy first and go ahead to your user here. So as I mentioned before, if you want to claim your point, you can choose there's a lot of method. So the first thing you need to go ahead to your user and scroll down until you see the event calendar. So just click your event calendar here. And in your event calendar, you can see a lot of options to choose. So the first one is shoot a video. So you need to shoot your videos and you can earn up to $10. So by doing it, you can get coin. And the second method is 20% shipping coupon. You need to redeem the codes. And you can also earn coin by sharing your experience, and you can also get up to 100 cash reward at the same time, and you can also get new user benefit. So if you want to earn coin, go ahead to earn coins, and these are the available option you can earn coin from this event. So you can shoot a videos, and you can share your experience, and you can also do the bamboo forest adventure here. So if you want to claim this one, just click, and you need to choose your partner, Oopbuy or Oopbuy. So just choose this one. So if you are a new user, I think you can get a lot of chance to get coin because they offer a lot. So here you can see, right? They offer 100 yen free shipping code, 20% coupon. So if you want to get coin, you can get 100 coin here and just click OK. So, and then now you are able to use your coin at the same time. So you can also get a lot of coin by rising the pet. This program is really fun, and you can also get reward at the same time. So by playing this game, you can earn a lot of coin from here. Although you just want to do other activity like shooting a videos or sharing your experience, you can choose whatever you like. And you can also see go back again to your home screens, and you can see what kinds of methods you can earn coin. You can also see at your home screen in the advertisement. So these are the several ways how to claim points on Oopbuy, guys. I hope this will help you a lot if you want to earn coin from Oopbuy. And you can also able to use your coin as many when you made a purchase. So that's all for today, guys. I hope this will help you a lot, and thank you so much. See you, bye.